Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 8 and let me share with you how to change the 3-button navigation into the gestures, so the mode I've got currently applied. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and in the general section, let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now we have to find the navigation mode, and as you can see, we've got two different options. Probably you've got the 3-button navigation, and before we will set the gestures again, a quick disclaimer, because you can tap on the settings and here you can decide whether you want to hold the home for assistant. It's up to you. Alright, so firstly let's tap on the gesture navigation, and as you can see immediately, instead of the 3 buttons we'll have this line which is responsible for some gestures. Here you've got the animation, but of course I'll show you and explain how to use the gestures in a second. We can also enter the settings, and here we can manage the digital assistant or the back sensitivity, and to be honest I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so don't customize it right now, because after a while you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. Alright, so in order to get back to the previous page, just like using the back button, we have to swipe our finger from the side to the center, and we can do it from the left side. You can see this arrow, so you can release the finger, and from the right side, the same situation, it works the same. If you want to get back directly to the home page, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and it should be a short and quick motion, just like that. And if you want to open the recents, simply elongate the last gesture. And after releasing, you can see the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.